Welcome back. Let's get the latest on the business world now with that. Chris McCusker joins us now from 680. How are you, Chris?
I am good. How are you?
You're following a lot this morning, too. Where do we begin?
Yeah, well, as they say, Mel, all good things must come to an end. It looks like markets could pull back from all-time highs, at least to start the day on Wall Street. Now, we have the Jackson Hole Symposium that starts today. The U.S. Fed chair is going to give a speech, and inflation will be one of the topics discussed. It's going to look a little different. Normally, we see this event, which is a gathering of central bankers with a lot of lovely mountains in the background. Not so much this year. They're going virtual. So that will be one thing markets are watching. There's also these missiles that have been launched by China into the South China Sea. So that's I guess we could say renewing tensions between the U.S. and China. Then there's the matter of the hurricane moving ashore in the U.S. About 80% of output at refineries in that area has been shut down. The price for oil holding steady, believe it or not, at least so far today, still close to a 5-month high. And then Bay Street coming off a decent gain yesterday, almost 200-point jump. We'll see if it makes it 2 in a row.
Wow. Okay. Of course, we will be following Hurricane Laura and what's happening with the refineries there. As you mentioned, things steady for now, but that is likely to change. TikTok, the latest here, CEO stateside, no go anymore.
Yeah, he's been in the job 3 months and he's out now because of politics or a changing political environment. Kevin Mayer announced his resignation in an internal memo to employees. Now, he stressed that he remains upbeat about the company's future, but this decision, of course, comes amid ongoing pressure from the White House and U.S. President Donald Trump's threat to ban the popular app unless the U.S. parent, or the parent company, I should say, which is China-based, ByteDance, sells the U.S. division. TikTok, by the way, has 100 million users in the U.S., and a number of well-known companies, Microsoft, Oracle, and Twitter, have expressed interest in buying TikTok. Just hasn't happened yet. Now, the U.S. president kind of put a deadline on this. That deadline hasn't run out yet, so still more to come on TikTok.
Okay, and finally for you, business and politics, yes, go hand in hand, hand in hand. Biden getting into another business, shall we say?
Yes. Biden's campaign is looking at selling hand sanitizer, perhaps a sign of the times. And these are very small bottles. You can see here that the label will have Biden's plan on what he wants to do around coronavirus should he be elected. Very small bottles, about 2 ounces for $8. The website says they'll be for sale next month. This is not the first time a U.S. politician has moved in this way. U.S. President Donald Trump sold recyclable straws last year, also to raise money and to get a message across. At the time, his message was liberal paper straws don't work. So this is a, albeit different message, but a message nonetheless.
It's an interesting strategy, that's for sure. You know, people are paying attention, so you might as well grab their attention with what they're physically looking at, right?
Sure, and let's face it, I mean, campaigns need all the money they can get, and if this is a way to, sort of gimmicky way to hook people in, why not?
Why not? It's 2020, all things go, I guess, apparently, right, Chris? Okay, thank you. As always, nice to talk to you. We'll talk to you again tomorrow when it's Friday.
I heard that, yeah, it's Friday.
Yeah, thank you.